outside.
Come on, get out of here. Come on.
Get out of my fucking house! Don't make me come in there and drag you fucking out! I'm gonna blow your fucking brains out! Get out of the fucking house!
Listen, mate, my name's Rob Brewer. We
I'm not your mate, Robert. Get the fuck out of my house!
Look, we were just out boating and... Listen, we don't... Oh, mate. Hey.
Yeah, what you fucking doing in there, Slick?
We were just out boating and, you know, we chose the tide, we got lost and we saw the light. We just thought...
Thought you'd make yourself at home, hey?
No. The door's open.
Oh, the back door was open.
We just like to use your phone, please. You don't have a phone. If we could just get to the nearest
Nearest anything's 26 mile away, Slick.
If you fellas could take us there, I'm happy to fix you up for any expenses.
Oh, that is rich. You're gonna fix us up with what, Slick?
Look, if you could just point us to the nearest main road, we'll be on our way. There won't be any trouble.
You really are lost, aren't you?
Lost? Ah, fucking...
There's no main roads around here, Slick. You're on an island.
Prince Island. We're on Prince Island. There's a flash.
Shh. You go and get Poppy out of the truck, you put him to bed. If he sees these two, he's gonna fucking freak. Sorry about my brother there. Brett gets a bit excited. Please. After all, you can't be too careful, eh? A lot of creeps getting around busting into houses and shit.
Please, if you could just take...
What's that?
I said if you could just take us to...
You got yourself a frog chick, eh? You're a real Frenchie on French Island, eh? Hey, darling. See it? I found him on the side of the road. You like kangaroos, darling?
Yes.
Yeah? Want a pet? Come on, you want a bite? I might, though. How boating, you say?
Yeah. Yeah, car's back at the boat hire.
Please, if you could just take us to the nearest phone.
Switchboard in Tankerton closes at 7:30, darling.
Switchboard closes.
What are you, fucking deaf? Closes at 7:30. This isn't the city out here, Sleep. You're in the boonies now. And we go for weeks without seeing shit out here. That there's Poppy. Now, he's kind of a tired little camper. He's had a very big day.
This place, Tankerton, if you could just take us to a hotel.
What hotel's that, darling? Yeah, would you like the Tankerton Regency or the Island Hilton? So you had a bit of a look around the property before we got here?
There's got to be some way we can contact someone.
Come on, Slick. There's Going down, cats and dogs out there. Plenty of room here now. Tomorrow I'll drive you to take it. How's that? You probably want to get out of them clammy wetsuits or what?
Yeah. Look like you use a hot shower and some dry clothes. The both of yous.
Yes, please.
All right. You get started, I'll boil you up some water for your shower.
We don't want to put you to any trouble.
That's no trouble, darling. Not yet, anyway. Are you going outside? Shower's on the back porch there. Towels are inside the door.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Slick. What sort of car?
Car?
This car you got, what sort is it?
It's a Volvo V70.
Shut up. Go on, Volvo. Fucking Volvo.
We gotta get out of here.
You telling me? We're talking cavemen here. These guys are sick.
There's a shed full of marijuana out the back. Grabbing your stuff. A lot of it.
It's none of our business.
They're not gonna let us walk away from here. There's enough pot there to put these guys away for 10 years. Honey, they're not gonna let us go.
I know we shouldn't have...
Listen, they don't know that we know. Okay?
They're
Just
the
play
ones-
it cool, babe.
They're the ones we saw before, aren't they? What were they doing to that woman? Let's go.
Right. It's okay, baby. Love you.
Where are our clothes?
They're gone.
And our wetsuits?
They're gone. They're fucking with us. Put this on. Put it on.
This is bad.
You wait here.
Where are you going?
Just wait.
No, please. Leave me alone, please.
Just wait. I'll fix it.
No.
Wait.
Ah! Come on, Brett, you wait, Poppy. You know what's gonna fucking happen.
We can't seem to find the pants you guys gave us.
Well, that's a fucking mystery.
Come on, you're gonna give us some pants or what?
Not up to your Volvo standards, huh, boss?
Listen, my wife's scared. We're both tired. Give us a break, will you?
You sure, freak. You fucking yuppie twat rat. You fuck up out in the water, huh? You break into our house. And then you help yourself to our private fucking property, and then you bitch and moan because we ain't got a phone. You are fucking unbelievable, sunshine. So what do you want? Fill my trousers? Oh, no, because I'm not the one who fucked up. You fucked up. And you are starting to give me the shits.
Look, I think you better wake the old guy up. I want to speak to him.
Oh, no, that wouldn't be a good idea at all.
Then can we have our wetsuits back?
What, those soggy things? What, do you want to catch a cold and give it to us? No. Hey, see, this is a working farm, Slick. It's hard enough to scratch out a living without some city butt stain coming in here and treating this place like his own private shit can. You are an inconsiderate bastard. Considering how you track dirt and shit all the way through this fucking house. You left the tap running outside, you've wasted half a tank of water. And you left the lights on in the back shed. Now, what's your old lady like as a cook?
They know about the drugs.
I think we should do what they say, babe.